రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీలో ఇండివుడ్ కార్నివల్ సందడి మొదలైంది. ప్రతిష్టాత్మక కార్యక్రమంలో పాల్గొనేందుకు విభిన్న భాషలకు చెందిన సినీ ప్రముఖులు ఫిల్మ్ సిటీకి చేరుకుంటున్నారు. ఇప్పటికే దేశ విదేశాలకు చెందిన సినిమా ప్రదర్శన ప్రారంభమైంది. భారతీయ సినిమా సత్తాను ప్రపంచవ్యాప్తంగా చాటుతామంటున్న ఇండివుడ్ వ్యవస్థాపక చైర్మన్ సోహన్ రాయ్తో ఈటీవీ ముఖాముఖి ఇప్పుడు చూద్దాం.
ఇండివుడ్ కార్నివాల్ 2016 ఉత్సాహంగా ప్రపంచ ప్రఖ్యాత రామోజీ ఫిల్మ్ సిటీలో ఉత్సాహంగా ప్రారంభమైంది. అలాగే ఉదయం నుంచి కూడా వివిధ దేశ విదేశాలకు చెందినటువంటి సినిమాలు ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శితమవుతున్నాయి. ఫిల్మ్ స్క్రీనింగ్ అనేది జరుగుతోంది. అలాగే అసలు ఈ ఫిల్మ్ కార్నివల్, ఇండివుడ్ ఫిల్మ్ కార్నివల్ ముఖ్య ఉద్దేశం ఏంటి అన్నది వ్యవస్థాపకులు సోహన్ రాయ్ గారు మనతో ఉన్నారు. ఆయన అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. సో వాట్ ఈస్ ద మెయిన్ పర్పస్ ఆఫ్ కండక్టింగ్ దిస్ ఫిల్మ్ కార్నివల్?
See, the Film Carnival is the very beginning of the transformation of Indian film industry. Within 5 years, we need to take Indian film industry to new heights. So for that, we need to change the entire current system. First task is to integrate the entire industry. Right now, Bollywood, Tollywood and Centralwood, everything works separately. So this is a platform where everyone come together, they meet together and they discuss and they make a roadmap to reach over there. That is one aspect. Second thing is to invite the investors. Because for this project, we need around 70,000 crores investment. So this time we are expecting around 300 investors are coming. We are honoring them and there are so many events happening, around 15 events happening here. So we are creating an ambience to invite them to the film fraternity. So once they go back, they should go back just like feeling that they are a part of this family. And with their support only this project will work out. And at the same time, we are introducing all the latest technologies over here. So and we are giving workshops, training, everything for the filmmakers. We are identifying the young talents and guide them to reach the film industry. So talent hunt is also happening. So several things are happening here.
So total all these 4 days, what are the events, main events?
Say main events is one is the investor meet. Second is the film festivals, all eyes film festivals. Then film market is happening. Miss Indywood, there is a fashion pageant is happening. Talent hunt is happening. Film based, so many workshops are happening. Seminars happening. All these discussion forums will be documented and given to the government. So it's with the support of Telangana film industry, Telangana government, we are doing it. We are getting tremendous support from the government and especially from the film minister, Mr. Srinivas Yadav, is giving a lot of support. That is the confidence we are getting from this Ramoji Film City, is that this event and this project can be completed before 5 years. Because if a strong government is backing any project like this, we can run against the time. That is the beauty, and Ramoji Film City is also giving all the support and all the facilities are wonderful here. And for a visionary like Mr. Ramoji Rao, his entire blessing is also there for the event. So we are quite happy with the event.
How do you think about regarding the technical values of our Indian films when compared to the foreign?
See, we still, our film industry's main problem is we still behave like followers. We need to be leaders. So we need to introduce our own technology. Right now, we got only the talents. We need to have the technology also. Right now, all the technology required for the making the film industry, it is all hired from abroad. So in the next 5 years, we need to have our own manufacturing units, our own patented products, everything. So it is a beginning for that one. And started the once the investors are here, this R&D projects will happen, the investment manufacturing process will start, and within 5 years Indian film industry will be running with its own technology.
After this film carnival, what is your plan? And you are going to meet government CM or like that, what is your plan?
No, the most important part is whatever we discuss here, the issues, everything, we will be recording and we will be documenting it, and it will be submitted to the government as a project report, and our job is to follow up it and make sure. And Telangana government has already said whatever we submit within 15 days, they have the system to implement it. So whatever the state government can do, that Telangana will take care. Rest everything will be the government will take initiative to submit to the central government. Even Mr. Venkaiah Naidu is coming for the event, so the central government will also support, so that we have to avoid the delays in implementing the system. So that will be happening and we will take care of that.
ధన్యవాదాలండి. అలాగే ఈ కార్నివల్ కు ప్రముఖ నటులు రమేష్ అరవింద్ గారు ఉన్నారు. ఆయన అడిగి ఆయన అభిప్రాయాలు ఏంటో తెలుసు. సార్, మీరు వచ్చారు ఈ ఫిల్మ్ ఫెస్టివల్కి, ఎలా అనిపిస్తుంది కార్నివల్ కి?
అదే సో మచ్ ఆఫ్ ఎనర్జీ చూడండి, అన్ని యూత్ చూస్తే టుమారోస్ అమితాబ్ బచ్చన్ మైట్ బి వన్ ఆఫ్ దెమ్. Tomorrow Satyajit Ray might be here. Tomorrow's Kamal Haasan might be here. We don't know. So that's a great part of this talent hunt, I think. It's a great idea. And the regional cinema is very, very strong. నేను బెంగళూరు ఉన్నాను, నేను కన్నడ నుంచి చేస్తాను. బట్ ఈ శాండల్వుడ్, ఈ కాలీవుడ్, టాలీవుడ్ అన్నీ మీట్ చేసి ఒక ఇండీవుడ్ అని చేయాలి అని that is their idea. So I think it's very, very interesting. I am also looking forward to meeting the other artists from other regions today. And I'm also here to promote my Kannada film called Pushpaka Vimana. Both these things will happen today. I think I'm very excited with the whole idea of the whole Indian industry being seen as one entity instead of regional parties. We'll retain our culture, but then we'll also melt into the whole thing. You know, to be the Indian film industry is a very, very nice thing, I think. To exchange ideas, to be together and show the world that we are one. I think it's a very, very nice idea, and I hope great things will happen because of this effort.
Today morning, so many films screened. Have you seen any of them?
No, I just reached. I just landed. I'm looking forward to whatever is happening. I hear there are some talent hunts happening, the very nice beauty contest happening on one side. There are short films being made about socially sensitive issues. And then there are those great filmmakers coming in. And then there's opportunities for youngsters to be a part of a Hollywood film. So I'm hearing very nice things about the whole thing, about this whole film carnival. May it get more power in years to come.
What are your suggestions to improve the technical values of the films, or just your suggestions?
No. There's no session at all. I think capacity-wise, any regional cinema, in terms of capacity to make great films, in terms of capacity of ideas, we are the best. There's no second word about it. Whether it's Kannada cinema, Telugu cinema, Tamil cinema, ideas-wise we rule. What we could be lacking is perhaps the reach, perhaps the global footprint. I think all endeavors like this will help us in reaching the global audience better. I don't think we are lagging behind anything at all. It's about budgets at times, it's about small issues. In terms of ideas, in terms of technique, I don't think we are lagging behind at all.
When compared to the other films, foreign films, Oscar nominated.
That's the only thing. It's about just the money and the market capacity of it. Otherwise, ideas-wise, I think we are at par.
High technical values.
Absolutely. Ideas-wise, we are at par with anybody in the world.
Okay. So what are your expectations? Like this type of festivals?
Yeah, I'm very excited. I'm very excited with that. No, with so much of energy here, more than anything else. And I like the basic idea of improving your infrastructure, improving your theatre quality, bringing innovation in terms of technique. I think I like all that. Because the basic creativity-wise, we are really at the tops. And then once we match up with the rest of the world in terms of these small technical glitches, I think we are there.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
Thank you.
ధన్యవాదాలండి. అలాగే ఈ సినిమా ఫెస్టివల్కి ఇండివుడ్ కార్నివల్కు సినిమా రంగం నుంచే వివిధ ఎక్కువ సంఖ్యలో ప్రముఖులు వస్తున్నారు. అలాగే ప్రముఖ సినిమాలు ఇక్కడ ప్రదర్శితమవుతున్నాయి. ఇక సాయంత్రం ప్రధానమైనటువంటి ఈ ఇండివుడ్ కార్నివల్ ప్రధాన ప్రారంభోత్సవ కార్యక్రమం జరగనుంది. ముఖ్యమంత్రి కేసీఆర్ ఈ కార్యక్రమానికి వస్తున్నారు. అలాగే ఇక రేపు ఎల్లుండి వచ్చే 3 రోజుల పాటు కూడా అనేక సినిమాలతోటి, అనేక సెమినార్లతోటి, సదస్సులతోటి మొత్తం ఈ ఇండివుడ్ కార్నివల్ 2016 సినీ అభిమానులను, ప్రేక్షకులను విశేషంగా అలరించనుంది. ఓవర్ టు స్టూడియో.